Every batch of hazelnut cocoa spread begins with carefully selected, mature hazelnuts.
Modern harvesting equipment helps collect the nuts efficiently while protecting their quality.
Once harvested, the fresh hazelnuts are carefully loaded for transportation to the processing facility.
Protected during transport, the freshly harvested hazelnuts make their way to a modern food processing facility. At the factory, the harvested hazelnuts enter a controlled production line, where they will be cleaned, sorted, and prepared for roasting.
At the factory, freshly harvested hazelnuts first enter a carefully controlled cleaning line.
Powerful air systems and vibrating screens remove unwanted material while allowing the clean hazelnuts to continue. Optical sorting technology helps select uniform, high-quality hazelnuts for the next stage of production. Human quality specialists provide an additional inspection to ensure only suitable hazelnuts enter the processing line. After cleaning and inspection, the carefully selected hazelnuts are ready for controlled roasting. After cleaning and inspection, the selected hazelnuts are carefully roasted to develop their characteristic rich aroma and flavor. Precise temperature control ensures the hazelnuts are roasted evenly without compromising their natural quality. Once roasting is complete, controlled cooling prepares the hazelnuts for the next important step, removing their outer skins. Specialized equipment gently removes the roasted skins, leaving clean hazelnut kernels ready for grinding. With the skins removed, the roasted hazelnut kernels are ready to be transformed into a smooth, aromatic paste. The roasted hazelnuts now enter powerful industrial grinders that begin transforming the kernels into a smooth paste. Powerful grinding gradually breaks down the roasted kernels, releasing their natural oils and creating a rich hazelnut paste. A second refining stage reduces the particles even further, creating the smooth texture required for premium hazelnut cocoa spread. The refined hazelnut paste is collected in a controlled tank and gently mixed to maintain a uniform texture. With the hazelnuts transformed into a smooth paste, the next stage combines it with cocoa and other ingredients to create the finished spread. The smooth hazelnut paste now enters the main mixing stage, where the ingredients are carefully combined. Precisely measured cocoa is blended into the hazelnut base, creating the rich chocolate character of the spread. Measured sugar and other ingredients are gradually incorporated to create the desired sweetness, body, and balance. Intensive, controlled mixing brings the ingredients together into a uniform chocolate-hazelnut mixture. After precise mixing, the rich hazelnut cocoa mixture moves to advanced refining equipment for an exceptionally smooth finish. The mixed hazelnut cocoa base now passes through precision refining equipment to create an exceptionally smooth texture. Multiple refining stages reduce the remaining particles, creating the characteristic silky texture of bread. Homogenization creates a stable, uniform mixture, so every jar delivers the same smooth consistency. Precise temperature and viscosity control helps maintain the spread's smooth texture and consistent quality. With refining and homogenization complete, the finished spread is ready for detailed quality inspection before packaging. Before packaging, samples from the finished batch undergo detailed laboratory testing to verify quality and consistency. Laboratory instruments measure viscosity and texture to ensure the spread meets the required consistency. Specialists also examine the spread's color and appearance to conform a uniform, premium quality finish.
The batch has passed inspection. We can authorize for packaging. Confirmed.
With quality approval complete, the finished hazelnut cocoa spread is ready to be precisely filled into clean glass jars. After quality approval, spotless glass jars enter a high-speed automated filling line. Precision filling systems dispense an exact amount of smooth hazelnut cocoa spread into every jar. Automated inspection systems verify that every jar contains a precise and consistent fill. Each filled jar is securely capped and sealed to protect the finished spread during storage and transportation. After filling, sealing, and inspection, the finished jars are ready for their final labels and packaging. Each sealed jar receives its final product label through a precise automated labeling system. Automated vision systems inspect each jar to ensure its packaging meets strict production standards. Finished jars are grouped and carefully packed into protective cartons for efficient handling and transport. Once filled, each carton is securely closed and sealed to protect the finished jars during warehouse handling. With labeling and secondary packaging complete, the finished cartons are ready for automated palletizing and warehouse storage. Automated robotic systems carefully stack the finished cartons into stable pallet loads for efficient handling. Every layer is arranged with precision to keep the packaged jars secure during storage and transportation. Protective wrapping secures the finished cartons and keeps the pallet stable during warehouse handling. Each pallet is digitally recorded before entering organized warehouse storage. Once palletized and recorded, the finished hazelnut cocoa spread is safely stored until it is ready for distribution. When a distribution order arrives, the warehouse system identifies the exact finished products required for shipment. Once selected, the finished pallet is carefully retrieved and verified before leaving storage. Before shipping, every pallet is checked once more to confirm the correct quantity and secure condition.
After verification, the finished hazelnut cocoa spread moves from storage toward its final loading point.
Pallet 12A verified. Affirmative. You're clear to load, John. Copy that. Approaching the trailer. All right, bring it on in. Easy, easy. A little more to the left. Stop. Perfect. Set it down. Got it. Let's secure this.
Secure the straps. Tightening the load now. Perfect. Looking stable and secure. All clear to close up.
From the factory, the finished product travels through the distribution network towards stores and consumers.
At the distribution center, the finished product is sorted and prepared for its final journey to retail shelves.
From carefully harvested hazelnuts to a finished jar on the shelf, the journey of hazelnut cocoa spread is complete.